If you are thinking about starting YouTube for the very first time, here are 3 skills you should master beforehand, or at least be kinda decently pretty goodish at. So skill number 1, public speaking. What I'm doing right now, I'm publicly speaking to you. I'm publicly speaking into my camera, but I post it and it ends up on your screen, so it looks like I'm talking to you. I'm not tense, I'm not quiet, I'm not looking away or nitpicking or anything like that. I'm just looking straight at you, talking about something that I kind of know a little bit about and that I can kind of sprinkle some passion onto. That's all public speaking is. And yes, I'm sure it's terrifying to be like in public, like with 500 people in front of you in a crowd having to give a speech, or like in school where you have to go up and give a presentation. Yes, I get it. It's scary, but a way to practice, just talk to yourself in the mirror. Just keep good eye contact. Make sure you do positive body movements, whatever it is. Just think of something you're extremely passionate about and that you can talk about for at least 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. The more comfortable you are talking about a certain subject, the less tense you will be, the more easy flowing the conversation will become, the more excited you'll be to actually want to talk about whatever subject it is. Skill number 2 is editing. Yes, I know if you are completely new to the game of posting videos and cropping videos and cutting videos and making videos shorter and adding little things like that, it can be kind of stressful. But what I did is I started with CapCut. CapCut is a very popular one. A lot of people on TikTok use it for reels, for short videos, YouTube. I'm literally using it right now. CapCut is a very easy to follow, kind of easy to figure out software, completely free, that I highly suggest to beginners who hope to edit, because not every single YouTube video is perfect, but it's definitely not all recorded and edited all in one go. It is multiple videos, kind of cut, place, add sound, add maybe like a meme every once in a while, whatever it is. Do you even know how to insert a meme? Do you even know how to insert something like that? Figure it out. Watch YouTube videos about how to edit, and you will slowly pick it up. Just learn little things at a time, and then it will slowly but surely not scare the hell out of you anymore. And the third and final most important step that you should master before starting YouTube is discipline. Doing shit you don't want to do, but doing it anyways, regardless of how you feel. Every single day. Whether you want to or not, slowly improve your skill. Whether that's just learning more about YouTube, how the algorithm works, what makes a good video, how to edit a video, whatever it is. Consistently learning new things. You just get 1% better every single day. That compounds into 1,000,000 times better than where you were if you did absolutely nothing. Discipline is a huge one. Not everybody wants to get up every day and make a video. Sometimes you're just not in the mood. You don't want to. But if you hope to take your channel to the next level, you're going to have to. That's the difference. It doesn't matter if you want to. You have to. If this is something you want to pursue full time, it's going to have to be something that you actually give a shit about. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.